stand up and show them why you're better.
I got out of class, used to stare at the clock and shit. Before all this rap shit, I was gang banging and doing half beats on the cops and shit. And I'm straight from the shop, but I ball like the king up in Cali and shoot like Stojakovic. Keep applying that pressure, I go on the run, it ain't no letting up, ain't no stopping it. Had to tell my little brother they chill, gotta stay in the house, come outside, he be poppin' shit. You ain't heard about us, well you need to go watch the news, niggas know we be dropping shit. Got the feds on my ass in the hood, cause they think I'm the one who been bearing them blocks and shit. I'm just focused on music, they say my last tape was a classic, but I got some harder shit. I be rocking this